and for today we were going to make a DIY plate mask. So this is a bunny inspired. First, get a styrofoam plate, a ruler, and a pen or a pencil. Draw a line in the middle of the plate, like this. And then get a scissor and cut it out. Get the half and draw like a window shape or a U shape. So this gonna be the eyes for our mask. So draw two using your pencil. And then using a cutter, cut it out. And kids, make sure that you ask for assistance from the adults, okay? And then next, draw an oval shape or trace like what I'm doing in a cardboard paper, and then a heart shape. Then cut it out. And earlier, I also draw an oval shape into a rubber sheet, and I choose the purple one. So this is smaller than the white cardboard. And then you glue, stick it together. Okay, like this. So it will add some color to our bunny's ear. So set aside, and then get the styrofoam plate that have an eye and get a glue gun to stick the ears of our mask. And kids, make sure that you have someone adult so they can help you to use the glue gun, okay? So both ears is now stick to our styrofoam plate, and then the heart that we cut it out earlier, let's stick to our mask, so in inverted position. So this is gonna be our nose to our mask, and I cut strips. This is 6 pieces. So this is gonna be our whiskers, and using a glue gun, stick to our nose. 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. And kids, if you want to watch more of my videos and to be updated on my latest craft, just simply click the subscribe button, okay? And so I also cut a small shape of a heart with the color purple to our small nose, and then popsicle stick, put a glue gun, and stick at the back of our plate. So we gonna have a handle for our mask, and ta-da! We have now a plate mask bunny inspired. So see you again on my next videos. Bye!